Siri not working on your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max after the latest iOS update. Whether your Siri isn't responding, on activate, or can't hear your voice. Don't panic, here are the most effective fixes to get your Siri working again. So first you have to make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Since Siri requires an internet connection to work properly, if possible, switch to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also refresh your connection by turning airplane mode on, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turning it back off. After that, the thing you have to do, just open up your settings, scroll down, tap Siri, and under Request Siri, make sure Siri or Hey Siri is selected from here. If it's already enabled, turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. So here you may have to retrain your Siri again. So now just reset your Siri by recognizing your voice. So when Siri is set up properly, then you just have to good to go. Then if Siri activates but never responds or keeps showing the spinning animation, try changing Siri's voice. So for that, you just have to go to settings, then Siri again, and from the Siri voice, choose a different voice. After that, immediately force restart your iPhone. Just quickly press volume up button once, then volume down buttons, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So if you're still facing problem, in that case, just check that if you're using a VPN. So for that, you just have to go to settings, then scroll down to general, and here scroll all the way down to VPN and device management. Now just tap your connected VPN, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you will find this option, delete the VPN profile. And now delete this from here because some VPNs can prevent Siri from connecting to Apple servers. So now back to settings, tap Siri again and check which language is selected for Siri language. Then back from your settings and from general, scroll down to language and region. Here make sure your iPhone language matches the language selected for Siri. So if you see they don't match, just change them so they are the same. Here's another fix that has worked for many iPhone users, that you just have to go to settings, then general, and here scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose reset, then tap reset network settings. If that doesn't help you out, go back and tap reset all settings. So don't panic, this won't delete your photos, apps or personal data. It only resets custom settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, keyboard and other system preference. After your iPhone restart, you may need to turn Siri back on and complete the setup process. Next, check for software update. Just go to settings, then general, and from software update, and here you have to check that any update is available. If you see any update available, just install it right now. If nothing works in your site, open the App Store, install the Apple Support app if you don't already have it. Open the app, now select your iPhone, then from the topic, you just have to search for Siri. And when you find it, just go to Get More Help option to start a conversation with Apple Support. And that's it. Hopefully one of the solution fixed your Siri issue. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.